Being able to personally design and create your own products is a dream for many people. A precise miter saw can make it easier for you to achieve that dream. A powerful motor is helpful for regular cutting tasks. For cutting larger wood, a sliding miter saw is recommended. Otherwise, a regular miter saw can meet the cutting needs of most households. Having a comfortable tool can help you work more efficiently to complete every woodworking cutting task. Rexon offers a complete range of products. You can find any product that suits you. For more tips on choosing a miter saw, please click on the video to the right.